a court has blocked the Trump administration's immigration proclamation. This is called the Presidential Proclamation on the Suspension of Entry of Immigrants Who Will Financially Burden the United States Healthcare System. This is a proclamation that President Trump signed on October 4th. It was intended to suspend or limit the entry of legal immigrants who did not have health insurance, did not show that they could sign up for health insurance upon coming to the United States quite quickly, or could not otherwise show they could afford medical bills. Now, the proclamation was set to be effective November 3rd, but a U.S. District Court in Portland, Oregon, on a Saturday night on November 2nd, issued a temporary restraining order that blocked this proclamation from taking effect the following day. So essentially, this temporary restraining order stopped the federal government from implementing the policy nationwide. Now, the court still has to hear the case on the merits, and they say they will do that in the weeks ahead. Now, the Immigration Lawyers Association, the American Immigration Lawyers Association director, gave a comment in response to the temporary restraining order, saying this proclamation would permanently separate families and damage employers. It is a clear violation of the Constitution, and goes on to continue to say the president simply does not have the authority to rewrite the law by proclamation. And that's something you probably will hear repeated as this case works its way through the courts. The Administrative Procedures Act makes it pretty clear that it's hard for a proclamation or a rule to trump federal law. So we will keep you posted as this case makes its way through the courts as it is heard on the merits. In the meantime, you can read the proclamation and the announcement of the temporary restraining order. We link to both in the description below.